Hello, I'm Dr. Shruti Batula, consultant pediatric ophthalmologist and squint surgeon at American Laser Eye Hospitals. Every child's eyesight is important for future of the child. Eye screening is very important for every child. Eye screening is not only to just check if the vision is correct, but it also helps to recognize any disorders or developmental anomalies in the child. One of the studies has predicted that by the year 2050, half of the world's population will become myopic or short-sighted. And in India, this is a very big problem because children of this generation are becoming myopic or short-sighted at a very high speed. So all the more the role of eye screening has become more and more important. Eye screening helps mainly to identify common disorders seen in children, that is myopia or short sight. And not only this, it also helps to recognize the disorders like squinting of the eyes, in some cases pediatric cataracts and retinal pathologies. So what are these conditions? So most common in our Indian population, we have seen that children are suffering with the eyesight issues, that is short-sightedness. If it is not recognized early, the child may land up in amblyopia or lazy eye, which causes a risk of vision loss. The other problem is squinting in the eyes or eye misalignment. If this is not detected early, it may also land up in vision loss in the eye which is squinted. So parents should get awareness about the different disorders which are common in childhood and get your child's eye screened as early as possible. So remember, early detection and treating the eye disorders gives a higher success rate and higher chances of visual recovery than when detected later on. The first eye screening of a child should be done within 3 years of life. So don't delay and get your child's eyes checked as early as possible with your nearby pediatric ophthalmologist. Thank you.